guys know we got a ton of parts to clean up. Look over here, this thing's all dismantled and all of the parts are filthy, filthy dirty. And look at there, our 10-liter ultrasonic cleaner. We also have a petrol tank to clean out, which will not fit inside of our new ultrasonic cleaner. But do not be in distress, because I have a plan for cleaning that petrol tank. Walk with me out here and I will show you what that is. Guys, if my hair is frizzy, I apologize. It's very humid out here today. In the corner of this old crappy falling down shelter, there is a concrete mixer. You see that? And I am going to use that to clean our petrol tank. The carburetor may be stopped up on it. We may have to clean that first and get this thing running. And it also has a flat tire back there, I think. See there? Can you see that flat tire? Let me see if I can zoom in for you. You guys need to see a flat tire. There you go. I'm frustrated. Let me go. You still can't see the flat tire. I'm going to come around back here and see if I can get you guys a view. Look here. I'll sneak you right in there. See that? Let me get... I'm putting the tripod. There it is, guys. There it is. See? See there? And what that is a flat tire. So I got to air that up. Yeah. I got it pulled back here up to the shop. It has been many years since this mixer has run. There are bird droppings on it. Do you see all those bird droppings? I guess that's okay. My thoughts are that when I stowed this thing away, I removed all the petrol from it, but I don't know that for sure. So let's go inside and get the ultrasonic cleaner going first, just in case I may need to clean the carburetor on this bird dropping concrete mixer. One of my subscribers, 28 Cruisin', recommended that I use Simple Green in my ultrasonic cleaner. He said the Chem Dip is, too expensive and that the Simple Green does a great job. I'm going to use Pine Sol for only one reason, because I have it here and it's free. If it doesn't work, I will take his recommendation of the Simple Green. The Chem Dip doesn't even make sense to me, because I would think it would eat the plastic parts. And if you have an ultrasonic cleaner, don't you just, you don't want it to eat the plastic parts, right? Or am I wrong on that? I don't know. Measuring is not really a big deal to me. Let's just pour some of this in there. That looks about right. There you go. Be sure and use exactly 1 gallon of water. So that's what I'm doing now. Ooh, it beeped. Let's see here. I thought I would, get it heating up. I've never... Ooh, it's buzzing. That's cool. All right, my thoughts are, let this thing heat up. We'll go out there and try and start the concrete mixer. I love this fast pace. I'm going back and forth, back and forth. I love this. This is exciting. Oh, got a leak. It's gonna kill my grass. Dadgummit. Yeah, our pet cock is leaking right here. We should just jump this. I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can seal that up. Easy fix, I just screwed this on a little bit tighter, and now it's just dripping a little bit. But I have a bucket under here. So we got run, choke, try it. Nope. Nope. Choke. Hey, look at there. Well, that's cool. It seems to be working just fine, running great, which is amazing. I'm gonna shut it down and check if it has oil in it, and we will go from there. All right, so here is your before picture. I like to do the before cleaning and the after cleaning. Can you see in there? It's pretty bad. Pretty scungy. Also, something kind of cool I noticed on this petrol tank. Look there. It says number 52. That's kind of cool, isn't it? In the past, I've used a mixture of dishwashing soap, water, and stone. But today, I'm just going to try using just dry stones and see how it comes out. Previously, I've just been using my tractor wheel and tire to clean these fuel tanks. There are many different reasons I would rather clean petrol tanks this way than using my tractor. The first one is, if you're doing a whole lot of petrol tanks, you're gonna mess up your tractor. You don't want that one wheel spinning all the time, cleaning a lot of different tanks. But let me show you the other advantages of using this mixer, this concrete mixer, to clean these petrol tanks. First, I like it because it's easy to speed up and slow down right here. You can just rev it up or slow it down to whatever speed you like. Next thing I like is this tub right here. What do you call it, a hopper? I don't know. Anyways, it will go up or down. Let me demonstrate. Simply by flipping this lever, you can change the angle at which it spins. That's a game changer. That's a game changer because it'll get every crack, every nook and cranny inside of that tank. You're moving the rocks from here to there. I could raise it up, get the bottom of the tank, lower it to get the top of the tank cleaned out, and I'd say it would do a lot better job than just staying in one position. One thing I would like to see changed is a way to mount the tank on this board a little easier. I will be honest with you, strapping it on there is a little bit frustrating and kind of a pain in the butt. Could you clean 2 or 3 fuel tanks at the same time? Answer, yes. So you can see there's a whole lot of advantages to cleaning a fuel tank with a concrete mixer like this. And you don't have to have one this big. You don't have to have a gasoline one. You could pick these things up cheap, an electric one, on like Marketplace or Craigslist or something, probably for like $100. I already changed the way I strap this tank down. This is a little better setup. Look, I just screwed it on this end and strapped it here. That already is a big improvement, but I think I can do even better than that. The ultrasonic cleaner is still heating up. So far it is up to 59 degrees Celsius, and it took about, I don't know, an eternity to get to that point. So far it's taken forever. These are the parts I'm going to clean up. These are the carburetor pieces. The carburetors all took apart for that 125 Yamaha Enduro. And these, look here guys, I'm going to stick this part in, this electronic part. You guys saw the last video where I took this off. I'm going to put this inside the ultrasonic cleaner and this armature too. My hopes are I can clean this thing up and get the electric start working again. Look at that, fits nice. Oh, ow, burned my friggin' hands. Fits in there good. Set the timer for 30 minutes, I guess. She's buzzing. After you blow it dry with the air hose, use some alcohol, or in this case, I'm going to use brake cleaner just to dry up any moisture that's still left in the tank. That ultrasonic cleaner's noisy. Did the inside of this tank come out looking better than new? Let's find out together. And the answer to that question is yes. It came out looking better than new. If you're not satisfied with the results when you get your tank off, just tumble some more, guys. You'll get it clean. And I'll tell you something else. I like the dish soap, water, and rock combination better to tumble with than just the dry rocks. I went ahead and spit polished the only two painted parts of this motorbike for your viewing pleasure. So here's the results after 30 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius. I'm not impressed. I may have to do the simple green like Cruisin' said, but I don't know, not bad. I'm afraid I'm going to damage things because it's too hot with the electrical wires. I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and throw the carburetor in now, and I will show you the results of that in 30 minutes. The results of the carburetor after 30 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm not impressed. So I may have to find a different kind of solvent. It is overwhelmingly hot here in Kentucky today. I am sweating, as you can see. I have parts that should be coming in for the 125 Yamaha Enduro. Hopefully next video we'll be working on that thing. Hopefully. We'll see you next time, guys.